Okay, as I read this, we have to make certain assumptions. One assumption I like to make is the Earth is flat. So let me put a line down, the flat Earth. All right, at a given moment, a plane passes directly above a radar station. I'm going to put the radar station over here, and the plane's up here somewhere. Now, it's 6 kilometers above the radar station, 6 kilometers. And the plane, I'm going to say, is flying level with the Earth, by the way. All right, the Earth is flat. At a given moment, a plane passes directly above a radar station altitude 6 kilometers. The plane speed is 900. I'm going to say, for sake of argument, that this is x. All right? I'm going to write down dx dt now. What's dx dt? It's 900 kilometers per hour. Okay, got that part. How fast is the distance between the plane and the station changing a half an hour later? So let's put this over here. I'm going to say this is d. And again, there's an assumption. The Earth is flat, and he's parallel to the Earth. All right, let's write a relationship down now. What the relationship is going to be 6 squared plus x squared is equal to d squared. I'm going to differentiate both sides, and you get 2x dx dt is equal to 2d dd dt. Let me go back and review the question with you. dd dt, and what do they say? Half hour later. Now, I have to get this in either terms of x and d's, but I'm looking at a half hour later. I certainly know what x is a half hour later. And what would that be? It would be 450 kilometers. All right? That's what it is, 450 kilometers. So what am I going to do? It's a question. I don't know what it is, but let's write this down. And I want to know dd dt. So let's write this over here. Divide both sides of this equation by 2d. You get x, divide by d, dx dt would equal dd dt. What's x? It's 450. We'll put units on this later, by the way. D's a little more complicated to do, and I'm going to go over here to do it for you. So it's going to be 6 squared, which is 36, plus, what's x? It's going to be 450 squared. Take the square root of that, and that's what d is. Let's write that down. That's going to be 36 plus 450 squared. What's dx dt? Well, it's 900. And what's the unit in this guy right here? Well, dd dt is going to be kilometers per hour. And that's going to be dd dt. Again, I'm holding off on doing the arithmetic, but that's my answer, by the way. Particularly taking this down, that's my answer. Let's take a look at it, see if I got that. I do see the 450. I do see the 900. I see the kilometers per hour. Let's see if we see this over here, which is going to be 450 squared plus 36. They just didn't square the 6, but that's pretty easy to square. All right, thank you.